Hi, we're DoorRenew. Today we're showing you how homeowners upgrade their front doors, boost curb appeal, and stay fully HOA compliant, all at the same time. Homeowners can achieve a custom, high-end front door look without violating HOA rules by focusing on upgrades that enhance quality rather than change appearance. HOAs typically regulate visible elements like door style, color range, and hardware finish, but they rarely object to refinishing, richer tones within an approved palette, improved coatings, or restored wood grain. Professional door refinishing preserves the original HOA-approved door while adding depth, warmth, and durability, often avoiding lengthy approval processes required for replacement. Subtle hardware updates in permitted finishes and adjustments to sheen or stain depth can further elevate curb appeal without triggering violations. By working within existing guidelines instead of against them, homeowners can dramatically improve their front door's appearance, boost curb appeal, and maintain full HOA compliance, all without paperwork headaches or costly replacements. If you want an HOA-approved upgrade that looks high-end and custom, DoorRenew can restore your front door. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time.